So, hi guys. Today in the next episode of Bewaja Traveling, we are here with one of my most popular car, which I personally like the most. This is McLaren Senna, named after one of the most prominent racers in the Formula One history, Ayrton Senna, which again is my favorite Formula One driver. तो McLaren जो थी, McLaren basically track legal गाड़ी बनाना चाह रही थी, and they ended up making Senna was producing 3,994 cc's of power in terms of its engine with a 4-cylinder V8 turbocharged, which was producing 800 Newton meters of torque and was generating 789 horsepower. Now the thing is with McLaren, this first of all, this car it is so lightweight. McLaren made it so lightweight so that it can be used on tracks as well. And other than I would love to share a fact about this specific car. The doors, इस गाड़ी के गेट जो थे, like back in time, like when McLaren created this thing, इस गाड़ी के weight का वजन था वो सिर्फ 9 किलो था, and the weight of the seats was only 8 kgs. So that is even less than the amount of dal bati a Marwadi can have in a single. Oh, I would say lots of weight they have put into this vehicle, but still amazing. So car is named after a specific racing legend, Ayrton Senna. Senna साहब जो थे, Senna साहब raced for McLaren for quite a long period. He has won 3 multiple championships. He has won 45 races in total, and more than 60 pole positions he has achieved in his life before his death. This was McLaren's tribute to Ayrton Senna. McLaren's tribute to whatever Ayrton Senna has done in his life, and this is one of the most popular car which is road legal and which is also my favorite. So you guys can get your hands into one of the scale models of McLaren Senna. Just ask any toy shop if they are having Hot Wheels with them. So you can ask if they have Hot Wheel Motor Show Edition, last year's Motor Show Edition. So you'll find McLaren Senna in that 5-piece. Yeah, this is about McLaren Senna, and it goes from like 0 to 100. It goes in 2.8 seconds only, and when it comes to stopping, so like 100 to 0, it do that in only 29 feet. So yeah, it's a really nice car, and like in next episode I'll show you some other cars as well which I'm having. So basically I do have a collection with me, and in my collection this is the car which is something I like the most, and it is really near to the heart because it has got the name of Ayrton Senna, and Ayrton Senna is again a racer which I really admire a lot. मुझे नहीं लगता Ayrton Senna जैसा कोई दूसरा रेसर कोई पैदा हो सकता है इस दुनिया. Prove me wrong, guys. Like in the comment section, I'll be waiting for you. ये जितने Max Verstappen के नए चिलगोज़ हैं, मैं चाहूँगा ये comment section में आए और let's have a debate about it. So yeah, guys, this is Ayrton Senna's McLaren Senna. Now, why I'm saying Ayrton Senna's McLaren Senna? Because this car again is dedicated completely to that. Wherever that guy went, whichever track he has been into, whichever race he has been into, he has made his name in that particular race. He has made name on that particular. Ayrton Senna जहाँ गए हैं वहाँ छाप छोड़ी. अब Ayrton Senna तो नहीं है, लेकिन नाम चलता रहेगा. And I hope one day I'll get my hands onto a real McLaren Senna, and I'll show you guys how it looks, how it drives, and how it drives me crazy as well. So yeah, stay tuned till then. Bye bye guys.